Hello, Tom. How are you today? You look very energetic.
Hi, Mary. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you today?
I'm feeling good, a little busy, but happy. I'm excited to talk with you.
Me too. I like our conversations. They always feel friendly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English talk. Thank you for listening today.
Yes, welcome everyone. We're happy you're here. Let's enjoy learning together.
Today's topic is simple but very important. We will talk about jobs.
Yes, our jobs, daily work life, and funny moments too.
Talking about your job is useful. People ask it very often, especially in English.
That's true. What do you do is a common question.
Many learners feel nervous. They don't know what to say, but it can be easy.
Yes, very easy. You don't need big words. Simple English is enough.
Jobs show who we are. They show our daily life and our responsibilities.
Also, our dreams, our challenges, and our growth.
That's why this topic matters. It connects people. It starts conversations.
And sometimes friendships or job opportunities, so it's very useful.
Let me start first. I work as an English teacher. I really enjoy my job.
That's nice. You sound proud. Teaching is meaningful.
Yes, it is. I help students learn English. That makes me happy.
Do you teach every day? That sounds busy, but also fun.
I teach almost every day. I prepare lessons and help students practice.
That takes patience and energy too. Not an easy job.
True. Sometimes I get tired, but students make me smile.
That's a good reward. Smiles are powerful, especially in teaching.
Sometimes funny things happen. Students mix funny words. It makes the class laugh.
Oh, really? That sounds fun. Can you give an example?
One student said, "I'm boring," instead of "I'm bored." Everyone laughed.
That's cute. English can be tricky. Mistakes are funny sometimes.
Now it's your turn. What do you do, Tom? Tell us about your job.
I work in an office. I'm a project assistant. I help manage tasks.
That sounds professional. Do you like your job or is it stressful?
Both, actually. Some days are busy, but I learn a lot.
What do you do every day? Can you explain simply for our listeners?
Sure. I answer emails and organize schedules.
That sounds important. Without you, things get messy, right?
Exactly. I keep things organized, like a digital cleaner.
Office life can be funny too. Any funny stories? Don't be shy.
One time, I joined the wrong meeting. I stayed for 10 minutes.
Oh no. What did you do then? That's embarrassing.
I smiled and quietly left. Everyone laughed later.
Jobs are not always easy. Stress happens. How do you handle it?
I take short breaks, drink water, and breathe slowly.
That's good advice. Stress is normal. We need balance.
Yes, too much stress is bad. Health is important.
Jobs teach us many things, not only skills, but life lessons.
I agree. I learned teamwork and communication.
I learned patience and listening. Students teach me too.
That's interesting. Learning goes both ways, teacher and student.
You don't need long sentences when talking about your job. Short answers are fine.
For example, I work as a teacher, or I work in an office.
Then add one detail, like what you do. That's enough.
Yes, confidence matters more than perfect grammar.
To our listeners, don't be afraid. Talk about your job.
Use simple words, speak slowly, and smile.
Mistakes are okay. They help you learn. Everyone makes them.
Even us, especially me, I still make mistakes.
Today, we talked about jobs, what we do, and why it matters.
We shared our experiences and funny moments. I hope you enjoyed it.
In the next part, we'll talk more deeply about daily tasks and challenges.
Yes, so stay with us.
We're happy you're still with us. Let's continue our job talk.
Yes, in part 1, we talked generally. Now let's go deeper.
This time, we'll talk about daily tasks and work challenges.
Daily tasks are important. They show what you really do at your job.
Yes, people often ask, what do you do every day? So let's practice that.
Simple answers work best. No need for long stories, just clear examples.
Every day, I prepare my lessons. That's my first task.
Preparation is important. Without it, teaching is hard, right?
Exactly. Then I teach students and answer their questions.
That sounds busy. Your brain works all day. No coffee, no power.
Yes, coffee is my best friend. Before class, I need at least 1 cup.
Only one? That's impressive. I need 2.
Too much coffee makes me nervous. Then I speak too fast, even in English.
That's funny. Coffee and confidence are connected. Maybe too connected.
What about you, Tom? What do you do every day? Tell us simply.
I start by checking emails. Many emails. Too many emails.
That sounds tiring. Emails never end, like homework.
Exactly. Then I organize tasks and update schedules.
Some days are busier than others, right?
Yes, very busy. Sometimes I skip lunch. Not good.
Oh no, skipping lunch is dangerous. Food gives energy.
I know. My stomach complains loudly. My coworkers hear it.
Colleagues are part of work life. Good colleagues help a lot. Do you agree?
Yes, absolutely. They make work easier and more fun.
My colleagues are friendly. We share ideas and sometimes snacks.
Snacks are important, very important for teamwork, especially sweets.
One colleague always tells jokes, even when we're busy. It makes us laugh.
That's nice. Laughter reduces stress, better than meetings.
Sometimes we laugh too much. Then we forget the time.
That happens at my office too. Then the boss appears. Silence suddenly.
Every job has challenges. No job is perfect, right?
Right. Challenges help us grow, but they can be stressful.
For me, some students feel shy. It's hard to encourage them.
That's a challenge. Teaching confidence is not easy, but very valuable.
I speak gently. I smile more and give small encouragement.
That's smart. People need support, not pressure.
Yes, slow progress is still progress, I remind myself.
That's a good mindset. I like that. Very positive.
What about you, Tom? What's your biggest challenge at work?
Time management. Too many tasks, too little time.
That's common. Many people struggle with that. You're not alone.
I use a to-do list. Sometimes it helps. Sometimes it scares me.
Why does it scare you? A list is helpful, not a monster.
When the list is long, I feel small. Very small.
Haha. Then just do one thing. Ignore the rest.
Good advice. One task at a time. Less fear.
Work-life balance is important. We are not robots. We need rest.
Yes, work is part of life, not all of it.
After work, I like reading and walking.
That sounds peaceful. I watch movies and sleep early.
Rest is not laziness. It's necessary for health.
I agree. When I rest well, I work better.
Confidence also grows with rest. Tired people feel less confident. That's true.
Yes, sleep is confidence fuel. Very cheap fuel.
When talking about challenges, keep it simple. No drama.
For example, my job is challenging. Or sometimes it's stressful.
Then add one reason. That's enough. clear and honest.
Simple English feels confident. Overthinking feels stressful. I learned that.
Work teaches patience and responsibility and communication.
I learned teamwork and problem solving and staying calm.
These skills are important in any job and in life.
Yes, jobs change, skills stay.
Today, we talked about daily tasks, colleagues, and challenges.
We also talked about balance and learning from work. Very important topics.
In the next part, we'll talk about dreams and future goals.
Yes, part 3 will be special.
Now, let's talk about dreams. Every job starts with a dream, big or small.
Yes, dreams give direction. Without dreams, work feels empty, just repeating days.
I like dreaming. It keeps me motivated, even on tired days.
Mary, what is your dream related to your job? I'm curious.
I want to help more learners from different countries using simple English.
That's a beautiful dream, very meaningful, and very you.
Teaching is more than a job. It's a mission for me.
I can feel that. Your voice changes when you talk about it.
Yes, because I believe in it strongly. What about you, Tom? What's your dream? Don't be shy.
I want to grow professionally, become a project manager one day.
That sounds great. You already have experience. You're on the way.
I hope so, step by step, no rushing.
Dreams are exciting, but also scary. Do you agree?
Yes, very scary. What if I fail? That question appears.
That fear is normal. Everyone feels it, even confident people.
That makes me feel better. I thought I was weak. Maybe I'm just human.
Growth takes time. Confidence grows slowly, like a plant.
Yes, no plant grows overnight, unless it's fake.
True. Real growth is slow, but strong.
At work, I try to learn new skills, even small ones.
That's smart. Learning keeps work interesting and future ready.
Sometimes I fail, sometimes I succeed. Both are lessons.
Have you ever learned something wrong at work, then realized later?
Yes, I sent an email to the wrong person. Very wrong person.
Oh no, that must be stressful. What happened?
They replied politely, but I wanted to hide under my desk.
Mistakes happen. The key is how we react, not the mistake itself.
I learned to apologize and fix it quickly. That builds trust.
Exactly. Honesty builds confidence and respect. When talking about goals, keep it simple and honest.
For example, I want to grow in my job, or I want to learn more.
You don't need big promises, just clear intention. That's enough.
Simple goals sound confident. Overpromising sounds risky. I learned that.
To our listeners, practice talking about your job out loud.
In front of a mirror, or with a friend, or alone.
Repeat simple sentences until they feel natural. Confidence loves repetition.
Yes, don't wait to be perfect. Start now.
It's good to love your job, but not required. Balance matters.
Yes, a job is part of life, not your whole identity.
Find meaning where you can, even in small tasks. It helps.
And rest when needed. Burnout helps no one. Trust me.
Humor makes work lighter. A small joke, a smile.
But not too many jokes. The boss might worry about productivity.
Timing matters. Always.
Yes, read the room. Very important skill.
You can talk about your job in interviews or casual chats.
At parties, or online meetings, or travel.
It connects people. Jobs tell stories about life.
Everyone has a story. Every job matters, big or small.
Be proud of your work, whatever it is. It has value.
Yes, your job supports your life. That's important.
Speak with confidence. Even if English is not perfect, your message matters.
Confidence comes from courage, not from perfect words. Remember that.
Thank you for listening. We truly appreciate your time and attention.
We hope this talk helped you feel more confident about talking about your job.
Practice a little every day. Small steps matter very much.
This is the end of our topic, but not the end of learning. Keep going.
We wish you success in your job and in English.
Take care, everyone. Stay confident and stay curious.
All right, everyone, that's all for today. We hope this conversation helped you learn and feel more confident in English.
Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Podcast English Talk, for more real and easy English conversations.
See you next time. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing with Podcast English Talk.